Oetiker clamps come in a variety of sizes and only clamp to a certain diameter. Selecting the correct size of the Oetiker clamp is very important. These are the preferred clamps in the beverage industry due to their evenness and durability compared to other clamps such as worm clamps. You will need an Oetiker clamp tool to crimp the clamps as shown in this video. These clamps are typically used for securing barbed fittings onto a beverage or gas hose. Once clamped, you virtually never have to worry about leaks.